Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is my dog Honey. I have found a pleasant smelling solution to use in her ears. So this is an antiseptic ear flush that is antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-yeast. It has easy and clear instructions, but Honey doesn't like me coming near her with the bottles. So what I do is I soak some cotton balls in this solution, and then I place the cotton ball in her ear, and then I gently squeeze the cotton ball so it sort of drips down into the ear. She finds that much easier to handle. The solution gets in there, and then I'm able to clean out all of the residue and junk that has collected inside her ear that's causing her so much discomfort. So she's able to allow me to do that, and it works to clean out her ear, and it has a very pleasant scent. She gets itchy, irritated ears, and this solution really helps to clear it up. Not only that, but it has a pleasant smell. It smells good, it doesn't have any medicinal smell, so it's pleasant for me and it's pleasant for Honey Girl. So if you're looking for a solution to an itchy ear problem, I highly recommend trying out this antiseptic ear flush. It's easy to use and effective, and it has a pleasant scent. So Honey and Girl feels better, and I feel good using it, and that is my point of view.